Habits are the small decisions that you make and the actions that you perform every day. Your life today is essentially the sum of your habits. So how do you build a new habit that actually sticks? First off, start with an incredibly small habit. Make it so easy you can't say no. Pick a habit that's easy enough where you don't need any motivation to do it. Start to increase your habits in small ways. Success is a few simple disciplines practiced every day. Rather than trying to do something amazing from the beginning, start small and gradually improve on your habit by 1% every day. Over time, your willpower and motivation will increase, which will make it easier to stick to your habit for good. Think about breaking your habit into chunks. If you continue adding 1% each day, you'll find yourself increasing your habit very quickly over the following 2 or 3 months. It's important to keep each habit reasonable so that you can maintain momentum and make the behavior as easy as possible to complete. When you slip with your new habit, make sure you get back on track quickly. Missing your habit once, no matter when it occurs, has no measurable impact on your long-term progress. You shouldn't expect to fail, but you should plan for failure. That means taking some time to think about what will prevent your habit from happening. Remember, you just need to be consistent, not perfect. Patience is the most critical skill of all. You can make incredible progress if you're patient and consistent with building a new habit. New habits should feel easy, especially in the beginning. If you stay consistent and continue increasing your habit, it will get hard enough, fast enough.